to have this for the first time as a pre-workout snack. You know what? This would be the perfect pre-workout snack because it's not super sweet. If you guys have any suggestions for pre-workout snacks that are not super sweet first thing in the morning, let me know. Yesterday I did a granola bar and it was just too sweet, so I got most of it down. But I know Chobani is a less sweet, more tart. I definitely perform better when I have a little bit of something in my stomach. This snack, if you guys have suggestions, make sure it doesn't include any appliances. I'm not turning on any appliances at 5 a.m. Meditating. I just put deodorant on as well. I'm about to put on some perfume, just a light perfume this morning. Let's get this workout in. It's upper body today, so I love upper body. And admittedly, you guys, I've been influenced. You guys know how I am about the color green. You guys know. I'm going to show you all of a compilation of all of my sage green things. If I'm being honest with you guys, the early mornings are not that bad right now, but I think once it gets cold, I think it could be a little bit of an issue. Not even an issue, but just more of a struggle, because right now, waking up this early, I feel really good, I feel really rested, but I just feel like once it gets cold, it's gonna be a whole nother story. Dang, the gym is busy this morning.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm
pretty good workout today. I will say I need to work a little bit more on my timing for arm day. It seems that I switched my program again. It's nice having that freedom. But it seems like for this program, there's a lot of, my backpack is not a passenger. It doesn't need a seatbelt. Yeah, so it seems like for this program, arm day has way more exercises than leg day. Leg day has like 4 major exercises and then that's it. This one had like double that. Definitely made me feel more rushed because I really truly only have an hour. So I definitely cut some exercises out. I prioritized what I wanted to get done. After I do my workout, I always do walks. These days, like this week is supposed to be like 99 degrees. Like I feel like this is the hottest week of summer and it's September. Well, it's not even summer anymore, but it's supposed to be like 99 today. So getting outside for a walk, it's just not really happening. And in between work, I'm normally able to get my 7,000 steps a day. Let's get in, get showered, and then I'll show you guys this quick breakfast that I've been really, really liking. Packed full of protein. Post shower. So I typically walk around and just wear my robe for literally an hour before I have to leave because I think it's Kelly Stamps. She's the one who heard for the first time ever called jeans leg prisons, and it really stuck with me. So since I have to wear jeans for work, I literally get dressed the last moment. Okay. My go-to for putting a little chaos. My go-to for putting a little bit of makeup on is mascara. I've showed you guys this before. I love this brown mascara. This is from L'Oreal. It's just very, very simple and subtle. And then my other favorite black one is the Voluminous Million Lashes. Not me doing it upside down. So I don't know which one I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do this one because more subtle is just what I'm going for today. I think brown mascara is just such a nice alternative for where you want to do just a bit more, but not like too much. I need to get close so I can't see what the heck I'm doing. That's it for the makeup today. I'm keeping it simple because let me tell you something. I feel like the worst part about makeup, even if I put a little bit on, is taking it off. It's like one extra step. I don't double cleanse every day. I only double cleanse when I wear makeup. At the end of the day, it's like the last thing I want to do is double cleanse. So let's hop into the kitchen. So part one, these are microwavable, 16 grams of protein, and I love these. These are from Trader Joe's. And then part two, the star of the show, are these mini steaks. I can't remember what they're called, and they're really thin and they cook for like 45 seconds per side. And I think it's like 25 grams of protein for 4 ounces or something like that. So it's super high protein and it cooks quicker than bacon and quicker than sausage. I really love like steak and egg breakfast. And I've also had these with like fried eggs, but I mean, this is even quicker and easier than fried eggs. So that's what I've been doing on my busy work mornings. When I had the fried eggs, I definitely could do 2 of these, but with these, I find it satiating enough between these 3 items. I also have a little bit of steak sauce, you guys. Ideally, I would like to saute up some spinach with this, but yesterday I struggled to finish all of this, so I don't want to waste food. I'm going to just focus on getting my protein in this morning. I hate to say it, but that Simply Modern cup, it's helped me so much drink water, you guys. I drank 2 of them yesterday and then some easily, and I've been struggling to get my 64, but they're 40 ounces. So I drank well over 80 ounces yesterday and it didn't feel hard at all. So I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the green, maybe it's the straw, maybe it's the temperature of the water. I don't know, but I really, really like it. It's my second day, official day using it, and so far so good.
So long, partner.
All done with work. It's 1:16 and it is piping hot, y'all. Like, I don't understand why the hottest days have been in September. You had July and August, you had your opportunity. But regardless of that fact, on Wednesdays I head to the grocery store after work. I used to go before work, right when the store opens, but my schedule now, it works better for me after work. So I'm headed to Lidl. I try to get as much as I can at this store. I think I have time to get coffee. I really want a coffee. It's just so hot. For my second shift at work doing like the computer stuff, it's just nice to have a coffee. So I think I'm going to head home and then order my Starbucks ahead of the time for pickup. Forgot to film everything, but I got my favorites. It's just a grande iced flat white with 3 pumps of caramel. I feel like growing up is enjoying the taste of the coffee itself. Okay, so it is literally 2:11 and I work at 2:30. So this is like my dilemma really on Thursdays, excuse me. On Wednesday, since I go to the store, it really cuts into my time to make anything for lunch. So I just picked these up at the store. I'm working on meal prepping and planning better, but I just picked these up. So I'm gonna have this as a light lunch and probably just snack a bit. If there is something seeping from the plastic straw or the steel inside of this tumbler, but it makes me drink so much water. Like, it's almost 2:14 and I'm already almost done with my second 40 ounce. That's unheard of for me, okay? I will say there was maybe 6 ounces left from this morning when I filled it back up, but still, like, I mean, yay for a hydrated queen. Delicious. I really need to get some chopsticks. There's certain foods you just eat with chopsticks. I feel like some days, I mean most days, you know, I would love to eat fully balanced meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but other days it just does not happen. And that's real life. So now I'm having dumplings and a flat white for lunch, and I'll probably have crackers for a snack. With any type of dumpling, gyoza, whatever they call them, dumpling, delectable. I'm also having a salad to supplement those wings. Hashtag balance. I will tell you guys, after a long day, all I want to do is like be on YouTube, watch movies and relax, and sometimes I just don't have that luxury, unfortunately. Like today I had to try and do like a job assessment. I had to do I'm thankful I don't have any editing to do. These days have just felt so long because my job right now is just so tiring. It's taking a lot out of me, so that's why I've been applying to other jobs. I feel like it's the epitome of discipline, and adulthood is doing things you don't want to do but you have to do anyway. It's kind of hard to want to do anything productive. I finished up work, I forgot to show you guys, as usual around like 4:30. That's when I finish up my computer work. I'm just doing 2 hours a day, 5 days a week right now for the computer side of things. But oh my gosh, my eyes get so tired at night. Like, I'm gonna show you guys this really cool mask that I was sent. Bob and Brad, I've been forgetting to use it at night and I can tell the difference in my eyes in the morning. But I'll show you guys how I use it tonight. But right now I'm watching my girl Remy. I'm gonna watch Keisha Collins, and I think that's probably gonna be it for the videos. And I'm gonna start winding down for bed even though it's only 7:48.
We were out in Dallas, and you guys enjoyed it, and I don't know why.
I love Keisha.
I want to film this video because I did this quad workout last week.
It's nearly 9 p.m. and I realized that Tashana uploaded as well today, and it's like a solo date type of vlog, which I really love, and it actually inspired me to like look up stuff in my city. So I actually signed up for a free cycling class, I think next Saturday. I haven't cycled since college, when I went with my college friends and we had a lot of fun. But I thought it would be fun, something I could do by myself, try for the first time in a long time. You know, maybe I'll film that day and bring you guys along with me. And I'm just thinking now, I know I need to go on 2 hikes, so I'm thinking maybe this weekend I'll try and go on 1 hike. I actually need to go into the bathroom because tonight is a mask night. Also hit my step goal today. That's Thanos, but 7,400.
Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it.
There's like a pimple coming up under my skin. I can feel it here. This will prevent that from coming up.
Can't be defined by your mistakes.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes, please.
10
minutes starting now.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
I was wearing makeup. No wonder. I was like, why are my eyes black? I put mascara on this morning.
Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart. Oh, say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by.
I love filling this out at the end of the night. It's so exciting. I meditated. I don't know if I got 7+ hours of sleep. I had my salad. I didn't have that, but I am going to try to do my nightly reading journal tonight because honestly, you guys, I really want to get to bed. I have been waking up at 5 a.m., which you guys have seen today, and I really need to be asleep by 10. So I really constantly, unfortunately, overestimate my ability to do my night routine on time. I always get caught up on YouTube, watching some of my favorites, and unfortunately it makes me always run late. And what is it, like sleep time procrastination? I'm suffering from that since my days have been so tough and require so much energy, so it's a combination of things. So I had to turn my light back on anyways because I wanted to show you guys this. So this is the Eye Oasis 2 that they sent me. You guys, I've never had an eye massager before, but when I read up on it, I think it said something along the lines of that it helps with circulation and it prevents dry eye, which I've been having a lot of ever since I started doing all the computer work for my job. Lots of dry eye, and then I've been having just like my eyes just feeling really tired by the end of the day. And so this uses heat and it uses air pressure to massage and stimulate the circulation around your eyes. If you wake up with super puffy eyes, this might be good for you. If you have dry eyes, this might be really good for you. I find that when I use this before I go to bed, my eyes are just way less puffy. It has its own music and Bluetooth attached to it as well. I love the warmth on my eyes. It massages your temples really nice. This is my first time ever trying something like this, and I was surprised by how much I liked it, but I definitely feel a difference in my eyes. It's such a nice way to relax at night. See if I can get the link for you guys to try it out below if you're interested. There might be a discount code, I'm really not sure, but believe it or not, this is so relaxing too. Like, I'm always ready to go to bed right after this. And I think I forgot to mention, but you can adjust the heat and the pressure setting. Ooh, it's massaging my temples. This has been a full day. It is just 10 right now. And all my days have been like this. And I just like, I'm kind of scared that I'm going to be hitting a wall soon because it's just been exhausting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you next time.